Gel versus mousse. Which one is best for curly hair? Can you tell the difference? Do you know which side is which? Both gel and mousse are popular choices, but they serve different purposes. Here's a breakdown of their benefits so you can choose the right one for your curls. Stay tuned. I've got a pro tip at the end of the video just for you. These are the two products I'm using and I'm holding them up respectively to which side I've used them on. This is day 2 results and you can clearly see there's a difference. Frizz and volume on one side, definition and a bit more elongation on the other. I'm doing it on freshly washed hair, so I'm starting with the mousse. This is Umberto Giannini Curl Whip Curl Activating Mousse. Definition mousse for weightless, flexible, frizz-free curls. Oh, look at the frizz. You saw the frizz. I will show you how I apply it. I re-wet my hair, detangle, and then I'm applying the mousse. Firstly, this mousse is very easy to apply. I found that when I brushed this product through, my curls looked so much better with less frizz. I started raking it and I was like, just doesn't seem to be working. So this is one of those products where you're meant to scrunch it in. The instructions on the bottle say, squirt a golf ball size of whip into your palm and squish between your hands to spread. Scrunch into damp hair evenly at the roots. Finger twirl curls if you need to reshape and leave to air dry or dry with a diffuser, scrunching and lifting as you go. Head upside down diffusing works great for the truly flat on top. I love Umberto Giannini products. I mean, could you be any more detailed on this? This is amazing. The definition is off the chain. Just wow. Look at those curls. I found it was much quicker to style. I could do bigger sections at a time instead of sectioning small bits and raking through. This product was also moisturizing. It wasn't sticky at all. A little went a long way. You can see I keep having excess product, which isn't a bad thing. I didn't have to use much at all. And when this mousse expands into the foam, it's like even more. It's weird, but amazing at the same time. A golf size is like a basketball size. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but that's what it feels like. I'm going to list 5 benefits of using a mousse on curly hair. The first one is that it's lightweight and volumizing. Yes, mousse is airy and light, making it perfect for adding volume and bounce to curl without weighing them down. Number 2, it's more flexible with soft hold. Unlike a gel, a mousse provides a more natural, touchable hold. So your curls stay soft and bouncy, hopefully for longer than a few days. I'm hoping 7 days, but you never know. Just look at that definition. Yeah, it's amazing. It looks so good compared to no products. Yeah, you can really see the difference. The third benefit is that it dries much faster than a gel. My hair already started drying while I was doing the other side. That's how fast it is. It's weird, but that's because it's lighter and has a foamy consistency. So of course it dries quicker. This is perfect when you don't have enough time. Yeah, just slap on the mousse and you're ready to go. Air drying is a breeze. The fourth benefit is that it's really for fine or wavy hair. Us curly hair girls, we have to pair it with a gel or something that has a bit of hold like a cream. Because as you can see, the frizz was already starting while it was drying. If your curls are on the looser side and easily weighed down, mousse is a great option for definition without heaviness. And the last point, number 5, it works well if you layer it with other products. Pair it with a gel or a cream. Yeah, I found this. When I use a mousse with a gel, my curls are soft and they last all week. It's weird, but it works. Now onto the gel. I'm using Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipes, the Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly, enriched with almond oil and marshmallow root. Now this product wasn't as easy to apply as the mousse was. I had to brush it in, rake it in, brush it in, rake it in. Brush styling caused more frizz with this. so I raked it in after I brushed it, which took much longer to style as I had to do smaller sections compared to the mousse. It is a gel, so it's more sticky, which is fine. I'm used to that, but I really noticed the texture difference, like it was a bit harder for the hair to absorb it than the mousse was. And of course, it's a bit more time consuming to apply this than the mousse. I also had to use more of the product than the mousse. So there's benefits and disadvantages for both, but the results say it all. If you want convenience, you could have frizz and volume. If you want the opposite, it takes a bit more time, but it lasts longer. So it's up to you which you decide, but let's keep going and see how this turns out. The benefits of using a gel like this on curly hair, I'm going to give you 5 benefits. The first one is strong hold and long lasting definition. This product will last me 7, 8, 9 days. If I didn't have to wash my hair on day 8, I'm sure it would keep lasting. That's how good and how long this gel lasts. And it's not like a proper hard crunchy gel. Because this gel creates a strong cast around my curls, this actually locks them in place for 7 to 8 days. The second benefit is it helps reduce frizz. It actually coats the hair and acts as a barrier against humidity, which is why it helps with frizz. The third benefit is the shine. You can see the difference. It's so shiny. Compared to the mousse, it's ridiculous. That's usually because most gels have a hydrating ingredient, which helps with shine and smoothness. Number 4 is that it enhances curl clumping. Could you see how my curls were just clumping together? Yes. The definition is on point. It reduces the puffiness. When you look at the results, you can see that this side is flatter than the other and it looks more uniform, right? Compared to the mousse. It's weird, but these products do different things. And the last benefit is that it's great for wash and goes, of course. This is what I'm doing. If you want to keep your curls fresh for days, this is the product you need to use, or some other gel that you prefer. Obviously, you don't have to use this one, but a strong gel works so well. And you don't have to restyle after day 3, day 4. It just lasts you all week. Well, it lasts me all week. I promise this product does. I've actually done a video of reviewing just this product. Here you go. If you are wondering which one you should choose, a gel or a mousse for your type of hair, I have a checklist for you. Choose a mousse if you have fine, wavy or looser curls that get weighed down easily.
You want soft, touchable hold with volume. If you need a quick drying, lightweight option.
Or you can choose a gel if you need long-lasting curl definition, if you struggle with frizz and need extra hold,
or if you just prefer more structure and shine.
A gel is probably the product you should choose. Now, just looking at the wet results, the gel is glossy and defined. It's a heavier product, so the curls have retained a bit more length opposed to the other side. So they're a bit more weighed down. And wet results with the mousse, there's frizz already, and it starts drying very quickly, very quickly. So first impressions from wet results. I know this is already starting to dry because I started with this side and then went to this side. I should have really started with this side. Anyway, the shrinkage is massive. This sort of weighs the hair down a bit, so it retains length, which is a good thing for me. Whereas this, can you see? Wow, it's fine. And there's already some wet frizz. Mousse opposed to the gel, it's shiny. I'm not saying this is a bad product, it's just mousses and my type of hair. I'm not gonna knock it, okay? Let's wait until the dry results, but the wet results so far, we've got frizz. It's not terrible actually, it's not bad at all, but it's nice. I mean, I could have used my fingers instead of the brush, but it seemed like the brush did a better job. And this side, it was a bit of mix and match. Wow, look at that. Now onto the dry results. Obviously the mousse, we have more volume, we have more frizz, and it's lightweight, it's soft, and the curls are bouncy. Of course, there's a lot of lift and body and no crunch. Whereas the dry results for the gel, there's definition, elongation, shine. You can really see the difference, can't you? And of course, there's a bit of a crunch. Not massive, like I said, but it is way more crunchier than these soft curls. It also looks more uniform-like. Honestly, I like both. I like the gel because it lasts me all week. I get definition and it's shiny. It's uniform. Why do I like the mousse? Because I get a volume. I love volume. So I like a bit of both worlds because I love volume, but I also love definition. So this is where my problem lies. How is this possible? Well, I have a massive pro tip for you. If you want something in between, if you want soft curls, but you want them to last forever, you can use both. Try applying the mousse first for volume and flexibility, then sealing it in with a light gel or heavy gel for extra hold and frizz control. I know this is a battle between the mousse and the gel. Obviously, the gel lasts longer and the definition is so much better. So I would choose the gel. Between the two, always the gel. Which side would you pick for me? And then which side would you pick for you? Is there even a difference? Soft, frizzy, volume, not the best proportions. Cast, glossy. This is what I like them to look like. And these usually last me all week. This is not going to last me all week. I mean, that one looks shiny and glossy. You see? It's not bad. The top, sheesh, it's a bit frizzy. You can see the difference, can't you? Flat, but I'm trying to create some frizz to get the volume. And the fringe, look at the difference. Yeesh. Massive difference, can you see? Wow. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not like this video if you enjoyed it? Also, turn on your bell notification so you're notified every time I post a new video. Leave a comment and let me know what you think or if there's any other comparisons you'd like me to do. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene and I'll see you next time. Peace out.